Okay, guys, we're gonna go to Critter Crossroads. This is part 2 of doing the weird walkie-talkie. We'll see you there. Okay, behind the scenes of us going to Critter Crossroads.
Hey guys.
Okay, this won't take that long, hopefully. Exclusive view. I'm holding my camera during recording here, so it's gonna be a little hard for me. Oh, I'm sorry about this camera here. I'm sorry about my camera today. There's something wrong with it. Let's keep going. We're gonna keep going. Okay, let's go. Okay, speed it up, speed it up. Oh, look at this. This is.
Oh my god.
I'm riding my bike with one hand. I'm riding my bike with one hand and. I got the walkie-talkie here too. It's on channel 20. Hopefully one day we can live stream this. We're crossing the road. Hopefully I don't record anybody. Alright. Alright. Okay, I'll record. We'll be back when we're halfway. Okay, we are halfway there. Caden's leading the way and I'm all the way far behind. In fact, anybody heard that? Kaida said I'm a loser. Yo, did you guys? Oh, that was Caden. That was Caden. That was Caden. Sorry, I'm holding this and biking at the same time. And I'm 10 years old. I'm sorry, this is a bad behind the scenes video. Okay, we'll be back when we get there. Okay, we're at Critter Crossroads. That sign says Critter Crossroads right there. We're gonna head closer to it. Hurry up! Okay, we gotta record the floor right now. Crossing the road here. Yo, did you hear that? That was them speaking. We're at Critter Crossroads now. You hear right as we arrive at Critter Crossroads? You hear that? All right, I'm gonna. Yeah, I am. I don't really want to be the cameraman right now, but like I have to, so it's like my only choice. entered the park. See, red powder. This time I do not have a flat tire, because last time I did. Alright, we are here at Prida Crossroads. Guys, hear this. There were people talking in this. I don't know if I got it on recording. But turn away, bro. Do you hear it? Like, channel 20, remember that. Okay, we'll be back again later, but we don't know what's going on again. There's always these murmurs and all. I don't know what's going on. I'll fast forward it. Oh my goodness, it's here again. Like, it's coming from this walkie-talkie. I'm not getting any input from my walkie-talkie.
You recording, bro?
Yeah. I got it on recording this time.
Jacko, you so quiet.
Alright, we'll be back if there's anything.
No! The battery fell out!
Alright, but as I was saying, we'll be back. Okay, there was someone on this again, like glitching, and I heard that beep, 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 beep. Any input from Caden?
No.
Yeah, I know.
No, run up to them.
No.
Just go.
Yo, what are they saying?
They'll record me.
Guys,
Record me.
Now,
Titus is gonna take
slow down the video and see if you can hear any of this.
Why don't you record our faces? Huh?
Okay, Titus is gonna take a snack break, and I'm gonna record him.
That's Caden.
I know. That was Caden. So we did the things that they did, and they actually responded with that thing. So we don't know what their glitches are. Is it good?
Huh?
Is that good?
Yeah.
Hey, let me try one.
Wait, Esther.
Okay.
Esther.
Huh?
Can you go run up to them and hold one of the walkie-talkies, and I talk into one of the walkie-talkies? Can you hold up one of the walkie-talkies, and then say Caden has a message for you guys?
All right. Okay, so we're gonna go to Caden's friend's house, cause
I just need to talk with them.
yeah. So the walkie-talkie is still on, by the way. Okay.
And is your mic still on? Yep, mine's still on.
Okay, I'm not gonna record the way there.
Because that's an invasion of privacy, unless he says it's okay.
Yeah. All right.
Yeah.
We'll see you there. So we're on the way to Caden's friend's house, but on the way we heard Caden explain it.
Okay, so as I was biking, I heard them say Walnut Creek. I don't know if anyone lives near Walnut Creek, but if you do know, I wish you good luck. If they're trying to do something illegal, I wish you good luck, cause it might be bad.
And Walnut Creek, California. We're in San Ramon, California right now. Okay, we're gonna start going to Quail now, people. Okay, so we're gonna go to Quail Park. And what we heard before was kind of creepy. And we have another person joining us today, and your name is? Yeah, he said his name is Eddie, and it's Caden's friend. And we're gonna head to Quail right now, where we got lots of input from yesterday, and where Titus threw a football at me. Hope you watched part 1. Alright. I look at my walkie-talkie right here, my setup. My left hand is steering the bike, and my right hand is holding the camera. It's a little hard for me right now, but I mean, it's fine. But it might be pretty bad audio, Alright, Kaitis is leading us today. For right now. This is... Oh, shoot. Almost bumped into a pool there. Okay, let's wait. I almost did. Not that far away from Quail right now. We don't have to cross the crosswalk. Hold on. Alright, let's take it. We're outside the school right now, not in the park yet. And alright, let's keep going. Oh, I heard a lot of screams from kids' country. That was kind of creepy. Not gonna record cars' license plates. I gotta speed up because they're way ahead there. I'm scared I'm gonna bump into something because I'm only steering with one hand. Okay, now we're at Quail Run here. Walkie-talkie still has no input. Going into the dirt a little. Seems like the kids are out. I don't want to record them. Okay, we're under the trap now. We're going to our table here, little table. Alright. And we are at the table at Quail Run. Any later input, I'll record. Guys, we have another evidence here. That's kind of weird again. Come back with it.
Do you really not have like?
So now we're going to Critter Crossroads again. Caden's gonna lead the way. Yeah, what kind of construction did they do to this? Our school, they added this summer. I don't know what they did. Alright, it's kind of hard to steer. It's kind of hard to ride my bike like this, holding a camera. My grip is like loosening. Oh, shoot. Caden's out of sight now. I gotta catch up. Okay, now we're at Critter. The crosswalk right there. Okay, gotta slow down. Okay, it's a crosswalk. Brakes. My brake is literally so...
There we go. Which way are we going?
This way.
Well, let's go.
Oh my! Pick it up, pick it up. We're in the middle of the road. Oh my goodness.
Oh, keep going.
Keep going. guy just dropped his water bottle. Okay, so now we're at Critter. Guys, now we're trying to take the tables back. And Caden has some conflict with not his friends, his enemies. What you saw before. So now we don't know where we can do. I'm gonna catch up. Caden! Input for them sitting there. What is your idea? What's your idea? Oh. Alright, what's your idea?
We don't have no idea.
And
Run over them, I guess.
yeah, let's just run over them. Alright, let's just run over them. Alright, we're gonna go and try to get the spots and make them to leave, hopefully. This is gonna be some drama. This is gonna be some drama. Do your line. Do your line, Caden. Do your line.
They took my table.
Yeah, why'd they have to take that table? Why'd they have to take that table? Oh, this is a really bad idea here.
Let's just go sit down, guys.
Alright. Just gonna go sit down. That's what.
That's good. No. Actually, yeah, that's a good spot.
I'm trying not to record other people. I'm trying not to record other people today.
Guys, so we couldn't find any words or like any information from the walkie-talkies. So we're just gonna end the video here.
We don't know if there's gonna be a part 3 or something. So
Yeah.
I'm not gonna promise you there is.
Yeah.
Okay, goodbye.
Bye.